Salford Red Devils wound up by High Court over debts. Salford Red Devils finished bottom of Super League in 2025 with 3 wins from 27 fixtures. Troubled former Super League club Salford Red Devils have been wound up by the High Court over outstanding debts. A winding-up petition filed against the 152-year-old club had been adjourned on 4 occasions prior to Wednesday's hearing. The petition was initially adjourned in June after the club said they were confident of attaining a bridging loan in order to pay a tax bill to His Majesty's Revenue and Customs HMRC before it was adjourned again in early September, late October, and again in November. The Red Devils' demise comes at the end of a turbulent year for the club, with a mass player exodus, late wage payments, heavy defeats, and ultimately the loss of their Super League status for 2026 in the end-of-year grading. Huge losses, player exodus, and fan optimism drained inside Salford's crisis. The court's decision brings down the curtain on a year to forget for Salford, their fortunes this past season in stark contrast to a successful 2024 campaign, where they finished 4th in Super League and reached the end-of-season playoffs. It was at the end of last season, however, that their financial troubles began to bite. The club requested an advance of their 2025 distribution payments well before the start of the season, and, on the eve of this year's campaign, a takeover from a consortium led by Swiss businessman Dario Berger was completed. Matters gradually worsened despite that takeover, however, with financial issues continuing to plague the club over the course of the year. A sustainability cap was imposed on Salford by the Rugby Football League, which affected team selection, leading to the Red Devils fielding the youthful side for their record-breaking 82-0 season-opening defeat at St Helens. Team selection and lack of player availability hampered Salford the entire season, with numerous departures including high-profile players like Mark Snade, Dean McDonald, and Ryan Bryant.